Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to do AutoCAD on your iPhone so that you can customize the background of the picture. So here you just need to open the photo library on your iPhone, and you just need to pick the picture that you want to cut and you want to customize the background. So here I have two options. I think I will let you go with this one. So if you want to do AutoCAD, that is so simple because the new iOS system has the tools to do that. So make sure that you already update or upgrade your iOS into the newest one. And then to do the AutoCAD, you just need to go click and hold the object on your picture here. Again, click and hold. So let's do this, click and hold. And now the object is already cut, and then you just need to click copy. The next thing we need to do is just open our Instagram application. And whenever you open it, now you just need to access your Instagram story. So here is the story. Now you just need to pick the picture that you use for the background. Here I think I will let you do it this one, or this one could be okay too, but let's try with this. And after you do that, now you just need to go click this alphabet section, go click it, and right after that you just need to go click it, go click paste. And now you already got the picture here. The next thing you need to do is adjusting the position as well as the size by width 2 of your finger, and you just need to put it into the specific area that you want to place them. And whenever you're done, now you just need to save this picture by go click this 3 small dot and go click save. And now let's see the result on your photo library. And here is the result. You can do any editing with this tutorial or step. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.